I don't care, I'm filming you.
You're not far away, by the way. We're trying to nail there.
It's alright, we got action.
Say something for the camera.
I'm a pisshead. Bothered.
Because I'm going to the ambassador's reception.
Pass out the Ferrero Rocher!
This is against the wall.
Yay!
You missed. That went up my nose. It doesn't go up your nose.
The downside is... Boys, hey.
That's definitely go up your nose.
Sandy. As much as it's warm, it's no nice.
This is going to be the Balerno TA Army video.
Sandy's got a love bite in his neck.
Hey! For the back!
She was tugging you over the strap on!
Oi. You're a swally.
Aye.
Have you? No. Fuck off, you hoop. You need to get a swally for the camera. Aye.
Yeah, you
Listen,
Sandy, you get it up.
Penalties, rather.
Get Scotland up.
Nah, not yet. No.
Nice shite, like.
Used to the Balerno TA.
That's phenomenal, by the way. It's very... You can fucking click it.
The fucking tool.
Just walk away.
Right, I'm ready.
Right, guys, you caught the